Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is skip counting of 5. So let us start our class. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.